In this video, I will show you how to create more content without actually sitting down to record more content. Now, I know it sounds confusing, but let me show you. I'm Zsomtor, I have 350 million views on YouTube and work with entrepreneurs like Sebastian Giorgio and Razvan Parashib on their channel. And as a business owner, the hardest part about YouTube is actually sitting down and recording. So with this little whiteboard, I will show you something. Let's say you already have been creating content for a while now and you have like, I don't know, 4-5 videos right here, which are, let's say, around 5 minutes long. And these 5-minute long videos are very good. People are loving it and it teaches something, or it shows something, or it helps you sell for your business. But there are different audiences on YouTube, so one guy could go and just only watch videos that are 1 hour long, or can go and only watch videos that are 5 minutes long. But you don't have time to create 1 hour videos. Like, how would you have time? You are a business owner, you have your business on your hands. So how can you do this long videos which create a lot of trust, which creates money? The more views and the more time they spend with you, the more they will trust you. So either you could make a ton of these videos and make like 200 of them so they get the needed content to trust you, or you make one long video which will get them the trust. This now is confused you probably, because you're like, okay, what the fuck am I talking about? Let's say in these videos you gave like tips and you gave like advice for your potential clients. So you give one advice here, you give 2 advice here, you give 3 and 4. So you have 4 tips currently on your videos. So what you could do is, these are 5 minutes long each. What you could do is create one mega video where you just edit together all these 4 videos into a 20 minutes long one video, and you give all this help in this video. And now this becomes a completely new video. People can watch it and they can watch the whole 20 minutes, and probably some people watch this, but haven't watched this and only watch this. So now they're missing something, or the other way around. So this big video can give you 20 minutes of content without actually having to record something new. You just take all of this that you already created and just put it into one. New title, new thumbnail, of course. And now people can watch this video, and like, this can be like a full beginner's guide, a full guide. In our case, it could be 4 tips that you have to know about, 4 mistakes I did when I started. So this type of stuff, you can just create one video and have 5 videos on the same channel, have these short videos on the same channel, but push long videos as well. This way you can easily create like mini courses or like full guides, because you just take your current content and you don't have to include everything in it. You can include half of the third video, you can include only a part of the fourth video, you can include the whole second video, and you can include again half of the first video. All of this will make out the new video. And just because you think you say something a lot, you don't actually say it a lot. There are a lot of people who follow accounts just for one thought. For example, eat healthy. But this guy tells you to eat healthy in 10,000 different ways. So that means that people won't get bored of the video, they will just watch it more because it reminds them, it gives them a new perspective. So this is how to create content without actually recording one.